Hey YouTube, this is Zach with Achilles Financial, and today I'm going to be talking about Nvidia, and that is because Nvidia is going to be announcing earnings after the market close on Wednesday, May 24th. At this point in time, the current earnings estimates are 92 cents EPS, earnings per share, and the revenue expectations is 6.52 billion. Keep in mind that this is compared to last year where they came in at $1.36 per share and revenue of 8.29 billion. The reason why I call that out is because Nvidia is currently expecting year-over-year quarterly earnings to be negative in terms of growth. However, the stock is up 80% on a year-over-year basis, and it's currently up 111%, or rather 116% on a year-to-date basis, despite the fact that S&P 500 has risen 9.34%. With price to earnings now closing around 65, the question has to be is this stock worth it? I think that this one is going to continue to be a little bit of a cult classic by way of the fact that in the past 3 months it's up nearly 50%. A lot of this is AI driven in terms of the use case for their chips, for their capabilities. However, I would highlight when we look at some of the key statistics, the company has a market cap of 772 billion, which is around 29 times full year revenue, which is just a remarkable statistic. And they have a price to earnings ratio, according to the Robinhood version. I don't believe this is as up to date, but they're around 179. Both of those metrics are very, very inflated compared to any other stock in this space. The question is, as much as I would like to short something like this due to the fact that there is such a large imbalance between what we're seeing from a value perspective and where it is from an overall what they're actually producing, I'm hesitant to either buy the inverse ETF associated with it as well as buy puts on it. However, if I did, I would definitely want to get some longer term or some duration associated with it. But it's just something that this stock continues to just climb higher and higher, as well as some of the other big players in the space, such as Apple, such as Microsoft. You can see that they are rapidly approaching a new all-time high, which was last set in November of 2021. So the question is going to be, are they going to break that high? And if so, is that worth buying at this point in time? So there are a lot of moving parts associated with Nvidia. It's just crazy that they were around $125, $130 a share less than a year ago. So it's one to watch, and I'm interested in watching those earnings, and I will be checking it out in the Discord as well as on the channel here. So if you find this content helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks. Talk to you later.